Hey YouTube, well it's Thursday morning and we've gotten a little bit of snow falling now, and we've already had 2 inches this morning extra. So I plowed that a little bit just to try to clean up a little, but I had some trouble with my truck this morning. The gosh darn battery was dead when I went to start it, and here I think the charger's not charging hard enough to cover it when I use the buttons for the plow, so I have to check into that. So anyway, we're on our way into town again, which I hate going into town, especially in this weather, to pick up some chicken food that we forgot the other day. And also I have a GFI breaker receptacle in the chicken coop, and I guess it wore itself out because now I don't have power in the coop, and that's the problem, the receptacle, so I need to fix that. So anyway, it's not exactly the best day of the year to go driving, but it's what we need, so I need to go pick it up. I had made a comment the other day about the guys. Is it alright down there?
Yeah.
I made a comment the other day about them plowing. Now it looks like they cindered this road with something, probably some salt, sand. But the thing is that usually they plow and get the ice off the road. Right now they didn't plow, they just let the trucks drive. The trucks made ice, they threw sand on it. They didn't put anything on it to get rid of the ice, but usually the sand holds up pretty good. The only thing is I think it's going to come back and bite them later on because they didn't bother to plow this first snow off of here. We'll have to see what happens. If you notice, the snow still did not fall off the trees yet from Sunday, I think the storm was, which is pretty unusual. Normally the snow comes off the trees about a day or so later, so it's still been pretty cold out. This is where the gas guys are working. I haven't seen any hunters out either. I mean, it's deer season, you'd think there'd be guys out, but they're not. In case you're interested, I picked up a heat lamp for in the chicken thing. Now, this is an extra. The one I have should be working yet, but I had to get one of these. I usually have a whole box of these somewhere. I looked everywhere, I don't have a one. The surprising thing about this, 20 bucks for this thing. Unbelievable. Alright guys, so this is the one I took out over there. Excuse me, it's kind of cold over there. There was a yellow light on the side here where the right here where the buttons are, and it didn't want to go off. No matter, you couldn't reset it and everything, so I took it off and replaced it. So I'm assuming that it's broke. I'm not even going to bother with keeping it or anything. I'll just get rid of this thing. What's up with you? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You want to go bye-bye? Do you? Okay, well let's go. Well, we're down in the 20s, low 20s, but the gas well people just cindered the road, which is good. So a little bit of snow flurry activity, but they cindered the road, and that's going to make things better for driving. It's still deer hunting season, so I've got a orange hat on and stuff, and I just want to stay close to the dog. I don't want him to get shot by somebody. Although there's not many people, I don't see any cars anywhere, so but that doesn't mean that there isn't any of the locals in the woods. So that's all I'm watching for. So I guess we got about 14 inches laying on the ground now. It's deer season and I got a doe looking in the window here. This is a yearling.
You can finish your potato if you want. Have butter in it.
Sally. There was a bigger doe out here who had 2 fawns. That was one of them that just took off. I think the other one was shot because I haven't seen it in a couple months. You can see the mom is in the back there. The fawn or the yearling is towards me. No. Looks like that's... No, I guess I might be wrong. It looks like that's the... Oh, there's a whole freaking herd of them coming now. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I saw one just now in the woods there jumping around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's the other one, 6 coming out.